I closest that would go for the rest of the night.
You can't be serious. You're really serious? Listen, stop. You serious yet? Really not.
You keep on asking me one question over. You notice?
You know what they say together?
No, you can't have got show up on the camera. Can you take me for a joker? What you say?
Just say now make them sleep together.
No, you're deaf.
This is stop it, because that's foolishness.
Look here. What is that? What is?
My jeans.
Pants.
Pants.
You know what about the pants?
Babe, stop it. Me I go send them in our bed.
You go send them in a what?
Sir.
And my sister.
Babe, move from here. So
Yo,
you want to follow you over.
You know you don't listen?
Guys, when you don't follow JC, hear me I tell you? Move from here, say you're too petty and leave the girl alone.
You're deaf.
Yeah?
So people, me are showing you something serious. I feel like at the time, fi do what me did for do when me never there in the yard, even though she married, me I go put down my foot and make sure my foot touch the ground. Them now sleep together tonight just to make sure say no bag of sneakiness no come go on. You see me I say? You see what she a go on like she a big woman. Mummy, don't worry yourself. I will be that son you always dreamed of. Me, I go make sure say everything go right tonight. Them nas, me not, you in the green shirt, it don't make sense even talk. You have on the socks where your big toe come through the socks, you tear up ugly socks. Don't even bother saying nothing to me. Them nah sleeping at the same bed tonight. Before so nobody not sleep. You are the one there, you know. You are the one that will ever talk off your face. So I want to see you go work out it tonight. You, Mr. Lucy, don't feel like it. Wait, you don't have on no green shirt. Okay, on a matching on a couple goals. Okay. Me, I want to see when I'm going to make it out tonight, you know. Before so, I don't sleep. No hiding behind my what now going tonight. And you, Mr. You see you, little girl? Okay. Me just have your thing to come, yeah? Yeah? Don't answer me! Alright, I love that. Okay. Well, I will give you the updates, you know. See you now. See them, you see them? See them? Couple goals. You see that space between you and Lucy? I closest that would go for the rest of the night. What? Yo! What you just do? Yo, don't talk.
You're petty, you know?
No, tell me nothing. I saw you gonna make you put in them life run out with Anna when can't control it.
I should really look for you.
Then you know for your look.
Man, I really want.
Yeah, second guess it. Take off, Marie.
I love you.
You better love me.
Why baby you're petty? Don't me not lie.
Petty Betty. We all gonna be one big happy family tonight. You see, I go in.
Yeah.
Good night. Tell your husband good night.
Who is she? Yeah, come.
What? You deaf?
Alright, good night.
Tell your husband good night. I just say the phone. Yo! Oi! 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 Yo, go ahead. Yo, hug up that. I'm going to the room. Oi! Yo!
What you going to do? Drop dead.
You see, you know,
Drop
I saw we're going to be divided as a mother and father. You're not going to be on my side. And that's why I'm not going to put you in a thing. Go on your bed.
Now let me sleep on the right, you sleep on the left here?
Yeah.
Go on your bed. See my whole head. He already start fret. Yo, you can't come go around my thing.
You talk to Lucy.
You're talking to me now. You're talking to me now. You're talking to me now. You're talking to me now.
Lucy, this one, this a sleep, you sleep. Then you know, so me and we talk after and go sleep.
What you call
When
this?
you wake up in the morning, you go catch
What you call this? Tetris heart attack. If Lucy outsmart me in the night, man, yo, me pay him. If him outsmart me, So you want to sleep? No sleep tonight. Up. You remember the last time he win the last to fall asleep? Tonight? No sleep.
Mm-hmm. Guys, you wanna wear his and just jump asleep before Halloween.
Pew box gone sleep. Watch me.
I can sleep. You're not the left. Yeah, do you? You know I'm going mad tomorrow when you wake up, you know?
Hi.
Do you? You can't say this.
Pew box. Look where I go. Look up in the camera, show them. So if you drop asleep already.
Lucy, you make sure I tell this. Let me tell you for the meeting now. Can't wait things see on me.
Alright, tell Pew box good night.
Alright. Lucy gone to bed, guys. So guys, Lucy gonna sleep. Jason asleep. I'm gonna put on the camera and bed right now, because when Jason wake up tomorrow, when I say Ellen pour the house in the house here, I'm in a business. And the reason I'm gonna take up the camera, Jason is so petty. Guys, me I got my bed right now because me sleepy. You know the funniest thing? I now wake him up. He must sleep right there. So I now wake him up in full of too much big chat. Look at him. Look at you. Look. You know see? Guys, good night. You know we see the rest. We don't know what will happen tomorrow. But I get involved. Let's see how I miss any bullshit.
So everybody just wait till me drop asleep. And I need nobody have no respect for the declaration and decoration when I sit down when I say them not sleep beside each other. You know what make me more disappointed? When I watch back the footage in the camera. Yanja, even you in on this too? Alright. you doing that, sir? I think say for the out there so with me, sir.
You just asleep.
You who drop asleep? Me drop asleep. And you come in. So true you feel like me drop asleep, the rules not apply. The rules not apply because me drop asleep.
Yeah, you top of that man, come back around there.
Oh, that's what you're gonna do? Oh, so you know the shrimps though? Alright, good. You know you just get back 2 points to that though. You might get 2 points to that, man. Yeah, me say me not see but you can't see best of it. So me look like I'm here, I go and build out or so. Yeah. So that like 3 minutes decided. I don't know how long.
You good while?
So that like a good while to decide your wife. How you feel?
Feel good, man. Go back right now.
You don't go back right now. Oh, okay. So tell me something. When me tell you say, we are Bill. You need to be serious. No, like, no little seriousness, nothing. I don't want to sleep still, you know. I'm not lying, you know. I feel like if make it dead again, you're gonna trick me again, you know. But it's about most. That's what you determine. And what do she mean in a dictionary? It mean determine. Most? Sorry, let me make a little deal. How much you could have bust me pan and make you sleep in there tonight?
Can you get 1,000 to buy a couple of ice cream?
1,000? $1,000? Yeah man, right now.
That's a big man thing.
Big man, we not joke. I think you never said 200, but if I said 1,000.
Close to 1,000 now. About 3 grand, I'll get 1,000.
About 3 grand? Give me 1,000 man.
I said 200, I get 1,000.
Yeah. Make sure I say it.
You real man.
So, you get up?
That's a deal.
Go sleep side of your wife, man. Go sleep side of your wife, man. Yeah, go do your thing, man. You don't want nice in the night, eh?
No.
I could have said no to that. Man, give me $1,000 and say goodbye, me say for ice cream. Money feels so fake though. Alright. Well, sometimes you have to bend the rules, you know. Cause that $1,000 can do a lot. But if I sleep with her at night after time, I have to give me $1,000 more. You know, I got my bed here, man. Like morning.